Mammoths are distant relatives of modern elephants. Both belong to the Elephantidae family, and despite going extinct around 4,000 years ago, mammoths shared many similarities with today's elephants. These similarities include their large tusks and social behavior. However, mammoths were adapted to the Ice Age, with their thick fur and large size, helping them survive in freezing conditions. Unlike today's elephants, mammoths were covered in 2 layers of fur to protect them from the harsh Ice Age climate. They had a shorter undercoat and a long, thick outer layer that could be up to 3 feet long. This dense fur helped them survive freezing temperatures of up to -50 degrees Celsius. Mammoth tusks were not only used for fighting and digging through snow for food, but also could grow up to an incredible 15 feet long. These tusks could weigh as much as 200 pounds each, making them one of the most impressive features of these Ice Age giants. A full-grown male woolly mammoth could weigh up to 10 tons. That's about the same weight as 5 cars combined. These massive creatures were about 13 feet tall, making them similar in height to modern African elephants, but much heavier due to their thick fur and large tusks. Mammoths were constantly on the move. Just like modern elephants, mammoths were migratory creatures, traveling long distances to find food and water. These giants roamed the vast landscapes of North America, Europe, Asia, and even Siberia. This made them one of the most widespread mammals during the Ice Age. While most mammoths died out around 10,000 years ago at the end of the Ice Age, a small population survived on Wrangel Island, off the coast of Siberia. This population lasted until about 4,000 years ago. This means that mammoths were still alive when the pyramids of Egypt were being built. Mammoths were strict herbivores, feasting on grasses, shrubs, and even tree bark. A single mammoth could eat up to 700 pounds of vegetation in just one day. Mammoths' large tusks helped them dig through snow and ice to reach food during the colder months. Mammoth bones played an important role in early human survival. Ancient humans used their bones to build shelters, make tools, and even carve intricate artworks. The mammoth was more than just a source of food. It provided essential materials for human life during the Ice Age. Not all mammoths were massive. Some species of mammoths were actually dwarfs. The pygmy mammoth, for example, lived on the Channel Islands off the coast of California. It was only about 5 feet tall at the shoulder, making them much smaller than their woolly cousins. In recent years, scientists have been experimenting with mammoth DNA in a project to bring these Ice Age giants back to life. By using the DNA of woolly mammoths and combining it with that of modern elephants, researchers are working on a potential de-extinction project. This project could one day see mammoths roaming the earth once again. Mammoths were hunted by early humans for their meat, fur, and bones. Cave paintings found in Europe and Siberia depict scenes of humans hunting these giant creatures. While human hunting wasn't the main cause of mammoth extinction, it likely played a role in their eventual disappearance. Like modern elephants, mammoths are believed to have communicated using infrasound, low-frequency sounds that travel long distances. These deep rumbling sounds allowed mammoths to communicate with each other across vast expanses, helping them stay connected during migrations. Although mammoths and African elephants share a lot in common, the mammoth's closest living relative is actually the Asian elephant. Both species have similar skull shapes, ear sizes, and body structures, making them evolutionary cousins. Mammoths, like elephants, had a long gestation period. A female mammoth would carry her baby for around 22 months before giving birth. That's nearly 2 years. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.